This is the human body with its brain, heart, and kidneys. The kidneys work together with the heart and brain to regulate blood pressure. The heart supplies blood to the kidneys through the aorta. The aorta is the main and largest artery and distributes oxygenated blood to the entire body. It leads into the renal arteries, then divides to form the femoral arteries, which supply the lower limbs. This blood flow is regulated by signals traveling between the brain, heart, and kidneys through nerves. There is a particularly high density of nerves around the renal arteries. The sympathetic nerves around the arteries leading to the kidneys play an important role in regulating our blood pressure by sending signals to the brain and back. They activate part of the brain called the sympathetic nervous system, which is overactive in certain diseases such as high blood pressure. It is known from studies where nerves were surgically removed that disabling nerves in this region lowers blood pressure in some patients. This process is called renal denervation. Your doctor will use the Paradise renal denervation system developed by Recor Medical to disable the nerves around the renal arteries. The Paradise catheter is a thin, flexible plastic tube with a small plastic balloon at the end. Inside the balloon there is an ultrasound transducer. Ultrasound consists of high-frequency sound waves produced when the transducer vibrates very rapidly. This produces heat that is then used to disable the nerves. The catheter is inserted under local anesthesia through the femoral artery in the groin and is moved into the renal arteries with X-ray guidance. The ultrasound device will then vibrate very fast for 7 seconds, producing ultrasound energy which will heat the nerves surrounding the renal artery and disable them. During this time, the catheter's balloon will inflate and fill with water to cool and protect the artery walls during ultrasound energy delivery. During the procedure, patients are given some light sedation and medication to limit pain experienced during ultrasound delivery. Ultrasound will be delivered in a few locations along the renal arteries. After the procedure, the catheter is completely removed from the body. The puncture site in the groin is closed by standard methods. The entire procedure takes about 60 minutes, and patients go home 4 hours after the procedure.